how many 4-digit numbers can be formed with the following digits which are divisible by 4 if digits are allowed to be repeated? You know what is the logic? I'll start off with this. The divisibility rule of 4 is that the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So in this pool of digits, what all can I make? You know, I need to check this. I can write 54 here. Is this divisible by 4? No. So nope. 56, yes. 51, no. 50, no. 52, yes. So I have to just check like that. 46, no. 45, no. 41, no. 40, yes. 42 again, no. 64, yes. 65, no. 61, no. 60, yes. 62, nope. 16, yes. 14, no. 15, no. 10, no. 12 is again accepted. That's no divisible by 4. 05, 04 is yes. 06, no. 01, nope. 02, no. 25, no. 24, 24, yes. 26, no. 21, no. 20 is yes. Right, so these are all the digits I can put in the last 2 blanks such that they are divisible by 4, but the digits are allowed to be repeated as well, right? So I can also have numbers like 55, no. 44, yes, it is divisible by 4. 66, no. 11, no. 00, yes. A number ending with 00 is divisible by 4. 22, no. So these 2 cases are coming up because the digits are allowed to be repeated. So how many I can put in the last 2 blanks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can put 12 such cases together, right? 2 blanks together. What about these 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot put 0 there. So I have options like 5, 4, 6, 1 and 2. Here I can put anything between 5, 6, 1, 2, 0. All 6 letters digits can be put. So the answer is 5 into 6 into 12. Right, so that's basically 30 into 12 is 5, 6 is 30 into 12. So that's basically 360 is the answer for the B bit. Sorry, I did it for the repetition allowed, right? So all the 12 cases is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12 when the digits are allowed to be repeated. And I've also done the same here. So I can actually find 364 digit numbers formed from these digits which are divisible by 4 if the digits are allowed to be repeated. Allowed to be repeated. So I did A only, my bad. If the digits are not allowed to be repeated, I cannot count these 2 cases. There are only 10 cases in this. Right, like this 56, 52, 40, blah blah blah. So in this case 56, you know, I'm talking about these 2 blanks. 5, 6 sits in the 3rd and 4th. What are the the options I have for these 2? I cannot use 0, right? Leaving 0, I can use everything else. So in this, if it's 5, 6, so what are the options I have for the first blank? I cannot use 5, I cannot use 6, I cannot use 0 because 5 and 6 are already used. The digits are not allowed to be repeated. So I have 4, 1 and 2, 3 options. What about this? I have again 3 options. Why? I would have used 1 digit here, I've used 5 here, 6 here. Leaving these 3, I can use any remaining 3. So that is 3 into 3 is 9 such cases are possible which will end with 56. Similarly for 52 also I'll get 9 such cases. 64 also I'll get 9 such. 16 also I'll get 9, 9, 9. I'm not looking at 40, 60, 4 and 2, 20. I'll tell you why. When it ends with 0, right, it will give me a different answer. Why? Let's look at this. 40, 0 is used here, 4 is used here. How many options do you have for the first blank? I can use 5, I can use 6, I can use 1, I can use 2. Because 0 is used here, unlike in this case, that's why I cannot count 0 here. That's why I would rather get 4, not 3. In this blank, I've used 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So I have 3 options. So that is 12. Similarly for 60 also I'll have 12. This also I'll have 12 and this also I will have 12. So 24, 60, 40, there are 4 such with 12 and remaining 6 will have 9. So the answer is 54 plus 48. That's basically 1 or 2, which is a tedious and a long approach, but this question should be done in this way only. So there is no shorter way for this. So generally you don't get to see questions like this frequently, or maybe very, very rare. The reason why we have selected and we are solving this is to show you and make you understand this, at the fundamental level. So even if it's confusing for you, just try to understand this. If not, that's okay. Don't worry about this, because this type of questions, simple divisible by 4 you might get, but most probably these questions are on different level and they would not be tested in exams. So don't worry about that.